In this evening's edition of the Business Review, we feature a Jamaican vegan makeup company, Lesham Cosmetics.
It's makeup without toxic chemicals. Vegan, organic makeup.
Vegan means everything that we use is plant-based, 100% plant-based. And this is good because many cosmetics utilize animal byproducts such as pork, shellfish, even bugs. They use bugs for pigments. And so that can give you an allergic reaction. So for someone like me that has so many different skin conditions, I need to be sure that whatever I'm using, is safe for my skin, and our products are FDA certified, vegan and organic, the highest safety quality standard in the world, SGS and HACCP.
Shanique Ellington is the brains behind Lesham Cosmetics.
I've designed and formulated everything from tooth to nail. So I tell my factories what I want, and there's a back and forth process until we get it just right. I've actually reformulated my foundations and powders twice. So it's a continuous improvement process. And so my input is very integral. I've designed the packaging myself, designed the formulations, designed the entire brand.
Businesses were closing during the COVID-19 pandemic. Hers was taking flight.
At that point in the COVID pandemic, I incidentally just completed paying off my first car. And so because we were stationary, we didn't have a reason to go on the road, I decided to take the risk, sell the car, use the funds from that to invest in Lesham Cosmetics.
She started with 15 shades of vegan foundation, 13 shades of vegan pressed powders, lipsticks and brushes. The vegan element, a major win with customers, prompting Shanique to expand her offerings to include blushes, mascaras, eyeliners, contour palettes, anti-aging serums, among other beauty products.
As the business grows, you realize that it requires more investment. And so I sold my apartment. We also do makeup services. So in our Lesham Makeup Lounge, you can have makeup services for graduations, bridal makeup, any special occasion. We even do corporate makeup.
From packaging to the look of the makeup store, for Miss Ellington, attention to detail is key.
It's really a reflection of my own personality. So I love white and I do like light earth tones. So you'll notice that whenever Lesham Cosmetics is present out, we have a very light, calm tone, very elevated. Some might even say luxurious or chic, but it really is just an extension of my own personality.
Looking ahead, Shanique is hoping to expand the distribution of her makeup line all over the country, taking it also all over the world. For the Business Review, I'm Carrie Ann Simpson.